Okay, welcome to Blender. So today we're going to be making a triangle sign. So what I'm going to do to begin with is delete the default cube, and we're going to go ahead to mesh and add a cylinder. Now once we've got the cylinder, what we're going to do is go to your bottom left corner, and with where it says vertices, put 3. Now we're going to go ahead and press S for scale this down. S for scale this up just a little bit so you can see it. We're going to go R for rotate this by 90, and then we can go with G and bring this up. So this is going to be part of our sign. Then we can go ahead and add a mesh and a cylinder. Now you'll notice that this is still 3 points, so go to your vertices and make how many ever vertices you'd like. S for scale to bring this up, S for scale to bring this down, G, bring this up, let's go scale down, and I'm just going to bring this up just a little bit more, and then just place it at the back of the triangle as such. So now we can go shade smooth at the back, and we can make this a silver in the materials tab, with that nice little metal look. And then for the triangle itself, you can do whatever you'd like with this. I'm going to go ahead and just maybe divide this just a little bit. So let's go with edit mode, take the front face, E for extrude, leave it where it is, S for scale, bring it in, and then we can make, like, say, the surrounding bit right here. If we go for new, let's go with plus for a secondary material, new again, and we can make this red or something like that, and then click assign. So we now have this nice little triangle sign that is equal on each side, because if you did this as kind of like a square kind of thing or a cube, it wouldn't be as equal and you'd be messing around with a lot of settings. So that's how you make a little outline on a triangle, and that is just generally how you make a triangle sign in Blender, the easiest way, really. So yeah, if you guys liked, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.